Hi, this is Lingojet. Welcome to the French learning channel with Lingojet. Here are some videos on learning French so that all your needs that are in immigration, in travel, in educational and occupational stuff, and all of the skills like reading, writing, listening, speaking, here in Lingojet are met. Learning French is a inseparable principle of Lingojet, and we are here to teach you the most efficient and easiest way for learning French. We choose such a pioneer and innovative way of learning French by considering different and several methods that existed on YouTube and etc. As I mentioned before, our students, after a while, are able to meet their needs in different situations and circumstances like restaurant, cafe, hospital, educational environments like university, school, etc. After they absorb a significant number of subscribers on YouTube, here in Lingojet, we create other channels for different purposes like, for example, learning French for children or teaching different languages except French. To expand, comments, and join to this movement, you can just subscribe Lingojet channel and support us. Thank you.